We recently changed our company to Stock Supply. Since 1979, we've been known as Bolts and Nuts. As we've expanded our business, expanded our offering to include safety products, chemicals, PPE products, abrasives, Stock Supply does a better job of explaining exactly who we are and what we offer to our customers.
Every day, we come in with the philosophy that we're here to serve our customers, here to serve communities and our team members. Our biggest accomplishment is just that feeling every day we're coming in and doing something good for the industrial infrastructure of America.
Our customers are looking for a single source, whether it's cutting tools or abrasives or safety products. Over the last 3 to 5 years, customers are really focused on trying to reduce the number of suppliers that they work with or the number of invoices they have to pay. So really a big driver behind our move to Stock Supply is the ability to help support a broader range of needs for our customers and really help us deliver all of the items that they're looking for beyond just one particular segment.
Past 7 years, we've added 7 new locations throughout the U.S., mainly in the Southeast and the Midwest. In addition to diversifying our geographic location, we diversified our product line through multiple mergers as well as multiple acquisitions.
This is much more than just a name change. It's being able to coordinate the efforts of Stock Supply, of Challenger Solutions, of Tech Threads, and combine the power of those 3 organizations to create one brand, as well as the expanded categories that we're offering. We're positioned really well for the next 3 to 5 years to meet the growing needs of our customers, and can't wait to see it happen.
The investment in technology has really enabled us to streamline our processes for both our vendors, our customers, and really all of our stakeholders. We've really tried to instill and maintain that down-home family atmosphere. So we try to instill those core values in all of our employees and hope that employees enjoy coming to work here.
Our company is built on the service that we provide to our customers. Our slogan is "Consider it done." And that's really what we try to strive to bring to all of our customers, is that whatever they may need, whether it's fasteners, MRO products, safety products, and really the service, we want our customers to know that they can count on Stock Supply and they can consider it done.